Rosemary oil has been cherished for centuries for its aromatic qualities and numerous benefits. Today, we will explore how to make rosemary oil at home and why it often surpasses store-bought alternatives in both quality and satisfaction. To begin, rosemary oil is lauded for its diverse uses. It serves as an excellent hair tonic, skincare remedy, and even a natural household cleaner. Knowing how to create this versatile oil at home not only allows you to control the quality of the ingredients, but also provides a sense of accomplishment and connection to traditional practices. Let's delve into the process. Making rosemary oil at home is surprisingly straightforward, requiring just three ingredients: fresh rosemary sprigs, a carrier oil of your choice such as olive or jojoba oil, and a sterilized glass jar. Start by rinsing the rosemary under cold water to remove any impurities. Pat the sprigs dry thoroughly, ensuring there is no moisture, as this can lead to mold growth. Next, gently bruise the rosemary with a mortar and pestle. This helps release the natural oils and enhances the infusion process. Place the bruised rosemary into the glass jar, filling it about halfway. Now, pour your carrier oil over the rosemary until the jar is almost full, leaving a small gap at the top. Secure the lid tightly, then give the jar a gentle shake to ensure the rosemary is completely submerged. For the infusion, place the jar in a warm, sunny spot. This allows the oil to steep and absorb the essence of the rosemary. Typically, the infusion process takes about 2 to 4 weeks, during which you should shake the jar every few days to help the oils meld together. After this period, strain the mixture through a cheesecloth or fine mesh sieve into another sterilized jar or bottle, discarding the rosemary remnants. The result is your very own rosemary-infused oil, rich in aroma and properties. Now let's discuss why homemade rosemary oil is often superior to store-bought versions. First, the freshness of the ingredients is unparalleled. Store-bought oils may contain preservatives or artificial additives, potentially diminishing their natural benefits. When you craft your own oil, you have complete control over the quality and origin of the rosemary, ensuring a pure, potent product. Additionally, environmental impact is lessened with homemade preparations. By using glass jars and avoiding excessive packaging, you contribute to a more sustainable practice, reducing plastic waste and carbon footprint. Moreover, crafting rosemary oil at home can be more cost-effective in the long run. While there was an initial investment in quality carrier oils and fresh herbs, the ongoing cost is substantially lower than purchasing pre-made oils regularly. In conclusion, homemade rosemary oil not only offers a rich, authentic bouquet of benefits, but also empowers you with the knowledge and satisfaction of traditional craftsmanship. By creating your own, you embrace a purer, greener, and often more rewarding alternative. So why not embrace this timeless tradition and savor the unique charm of homemade rosemary oil